This is the end of the video, but I'm placing it in the front. Make sure to like, comment, follow, and subscribe. Do that for me right now, please, guys. Hey, what up, guys? This is Dylan with Diverse Ford Research's Built to Drive Media. The last video, we actually went to go pick up the wheels for the Hummer, and this video, we went to go pick up the tires. I didn't record the picking up because it was at random. I didn't even know I was gonna actually get the tires. I just decided to go do it. So here they are. Look at these things. This is like up to my chest right now. This thing is huge. Look. You can't even see the hatchback. That's how tall it is. There's the hatchie. Let's take one of these down real quick. Alright. So these are 10 ply, and as you can see, they're about to my waist. These are 35s. We're gonna go ahead and put them over here. Give you guys a comparison of what the stock ones look like compared to these ones. Alright, so here's a side-by-side comparison of the height difference. That's crazy. Let's grab a tape measure for reference. Here's a tape measure for reference. You can see that these are about 4.5 inches taller than the factory wheels. So these wheels are going to lift the Hummer about 2.25 just naturally. First thing we're going to do is pull these off because we have the tire sensors in here, and I'll grab the new KMC wheels, and we'll place the tire sensors inside the KMC wheels and then mount these up and get them on a balancer. Look how sick this thing's gonna look. I purchased a 3-inch lift for it as well, but look at this. Look at the difference, guys. Look, massive difference. So crazy. We have the old TPMS sensor placed in. We're gonna go ahead and spray this rim down with some soap and water, and then we're gonna go ahead and place that tire on it. I like to get it real soapy. That way the tire doesn't scuff the rim up, because the tire can scuff the rim. So that's good enough. Another thing, I'll spray the face and I'll spray the back of the tire. That way it slides on. Good news is this thing's actually balanced out. Sometimes with these mud tires, it's real hard to get them to balance out. So that's a real plus in my book. Huh?
Looks good.
She loves it.
Stop.
This looks sick. What do you guys think? We'll do the rear right now. Before we get the passenger side put on, we're gonna weigh the difference between the two and measure them with a tape measure. But I wanted to show you guys, look at this. It's gonna be hard to see because of the sun, but I mean, look how much that thing is leaning right now. And look how wide these wheels are compared to the stock ones. All right, so I got my house scale right here, and what we are going to do is weigh these wheels right here. I'm gonna roll it on the scale. I'm gonna zero it out first. Okay. It's upside down, but that is 54. This is smart scale, so it's doing some smart stuff right now. It's trying to find which user is on this scale. Let's get that one more time. Okay, hurry up, scale. 54.2. So that's what it is, guys. 54.2. All right. Now let's see what these things weigh. Zero the scale out again, and let's get on here. This footprint is way bigger, guys. Oh my god, looks like 101. The hell? That's hella heavy. I didn't even think it was gonna be that heavy. I knew it was heavy because I could feel the weight, but I did not know it was gonna be that much of a difference. Next up is we will measure these bad boys. See where this one's at. It is 30.5 on this one, and this one aired up is a 34.5 at the top knobby. So that's a 34.5, and this is a 31.5. 30.5, I'm sorry. This one's a 30.5. We'll see the footprint on the tread. This is about a 10.25. And this one's way wider right here. This one is 12.5 as advertised, which is right there. So this one's 12.5 as advertised. That was 45, that's 101, and that's 30.5, and this is 34.5. So that's the difference, guys. And you can see it. And there's the Civic looking clean in the garage. It's gonna come back out. We're gonna start back working on this next week. Here's the Hummer, guys. This thing is huge. Like, I'm not even kidding. This is taller than me now. I used to be about as tall as that, and now, like, it's way taller than me. This is crazy. Look at the difference. It seems like a pure beast right now. Oh, I love it all black with the little chrome touches, because I'm leaving that chrome grille, so that is just perfect. I'm super excited about the Hummer, and I just hit that right there. But I'm super excited about the Hummer. We got more stuff to come for this thing right here. We still got to do the 5th wheel on the back. I don't know how I'm gonna make it work because I don't even know if there's enough room, to be honest. The other thing we have for this is a lift kit. It's coming in the mail, and then we have a 1-inch body lift that we're doing to this. We also have tail lights that we're gonna be installing, and this company made some new stuff with a 3D printer for headlight adapters and headlight buckets. So basically there is a bolt-on plug-and-play headlight upgrade kit for this, and we are going to do LED turn signals as well, and some diamond stitch on the interior. So there's a lot of things that's coming up for this Hummer, and stay tuned, guys. And we're really going to take it off-road. I'm going to take it off-roading, like just how it is right here with the lift kit and everything. We're going to take this off-road. I got a cool spot I like to take my off-road vehicles. I do a lot of trail rigging. I don't do like rock climbing and all that crazy ass shit, just trail rigs to where it's a little challenging for an everyday vehicle. So we'll do something like that, and we'll take it off-road with some buddies. Here's the Hummer. I want you guys to please like, comment, subscribe, and follow the channel, man. Like, we got a lot of stuff coming up, and it's going to be a lot of do-it-yourself stuff. Honestly, I was getting ready to lift the front up for you guys because factory, I could raise this thing up another 2.5 inches up front, but I'm not gonna do that just yet. I'll probably show you guys how to do that a different day. But here's the Hummer one last time so you guys could take it in. This thing looks badass. This is gonna be pulling the MR2, and it's also gonna be pulling the Civic. As you can see, I told you we had a little bit of poke. The wheels are turned, so it's probably poking out a little bit more, but that's the amount of poke that I wanted. Perfect amount of poke. I didn't want that crazy Jeep looking poke, but you can see that thing's perfect. I'm gonna miss this thing because we're gonna have the rim back here, so it won't say Hummer, and I'm just gonna miss that. There's the Instagram. You guys know what it is. Brand new tires, brand new wheels. This thing looks badass. Let me know what you guys think about this Hummer now. Do you guys think it looks sick? All right, I know you guys are tired of hearing my voice, so I'm gonna let you guys go. This is Dylan with Diverse Ford Research and Built to Drive Media. Peace out, guys.